Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm your host, Aerospilly here, bringing you another review on the Tonor TC-1020. I would love to say a big thank you to Tonor for providing us with this free product for the review. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing and finally test it out. Going over all the features that you need to know before buying the Tonor TC-1020. So without further ado, let's just open this with the bada bing bada boom. First off, we have the manual. Wow, look at the packaging. All right, we got some nice foam in here, keeping the microphone safe. So let's take this microphone out and look how sleek it is. It's got such a modern design, guys. And yeah, they give you a lot of cable here. Along with that, they've got toggles on the front so that you can actually plug up your headset to actually listen what you're recording and what your microphone is picking up. Also, they have a toggle to go up with the volume or down, which is very nice to have on a microphone. This design is made to stay and not move. I can literally lift up this table and shake it, and it really isn't moving at all. This has been a short little look at the Tonor TC-1020 microphone. So I'm gonna go over the details of what you can expect within the Tonor TC-1020 and finally test it out. So this is a close-up of the Tonor TC-1020 microphone. This microphone has a smooth and wide frequency response that picks up and restores sound accurately and reproduces the high resolution of audio. With the cardioid pickup pattern, the microphone can capture the sound directly in front of the microphone to reduce unnecessary background noise, ideal for recording, voiceovers, podcasts, streaming, and chatting. This microphone is made of a solid aluminum alloy, sturdy and durable. Note that this is a stylish microphone, not a speaker. This plug-and-play easy design makes this microphone compatible with Mac or Windows. Without the access of any drivers needed, you just plug it up and bada bing, bada boom, you are ready to record. The microphone is equipped with a 3.5mm headphone port, allowing you to monitor the actual input of real time without latency. You can just adjust the volume and the input level of the mic more easily with the volume control. And lastly, Tonor provides 30 days of hassle-free return and up to 2 years of after-sales service. Basically a 2-year warranty on this microphone. They warrant the product against defects in materials and workmanship under ordinary consumer use. If exceeding 30 days of Amazon return policy, you can still contact them following 2 ways. You can ask the seller or Tonor in your order page, or through the Shopify Tonor mic, they will serve you with full sincerity. And coming in at $48, this is a really sleek microphone. I love the design and it will fit any new setup. The features built in allow you to be more versatile and allows you to produce sound the way that you want. And for this value, you really do get an elegant package. It's durable, easy to use, and high quality. So yeah, this has been a close-up of the Tonor TC computer USB condenser microphone. Okay, now we're gonna officially test out the microphone itself and listen to how it sounds. Right now you are listening to my iPhone's audio and we will start recording with the Tonor. You should start hearing it right now. So now you should be listening to the microphone through the TC-1020. Basically, it's on the lower setting. Listen to it right now. You can actually listen to your audio with headsets, which is really cool. So now I should be listening. Oh, wow. Okay. I can actually hear myself. If you are trying to record or anything like that, if you're trying to get your audio to the right sound that you want, it's really nice to listen to it right on the device and pick up the right amount of sound you want for your audio. So this has been a sound test of the microphone. I really do like this Tonor TC-1020 microphone. It's compact, it's sleek, and it's really nice in the design. The only thing that I could say that might affect some users is the fact that you can't unplug the back USB port. It is a station port. This microphone just comes in a full ready-to-go package. You get everything right out of the box from the nice packaging that they really put in here. The really good materials built with this microphone and all the features that you get built in. I highly recommend this product. If you guys want to get a really nice, sleek, modern microphone for your setup, it sits well on your desk. It would work good for many uses. I say it's a really good value for this microphone. It does make a difference having those toggles and features built in. That just about wraps up this quick review. If you like what you saw or heard, please be sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, or ring that bell to stay up to date whenever I go live or upload a video. And as always, stay awesome, keep the hype alive, and I will see you guys in the next video.